Hello, class.
Hi.
How are we doing today?
Fine.
Good to hear. So today, I'll be teaching you a round called Be Like the Bird. So first, I'm going to go ahead and sing through it once. And we're not going to get to the round bit. We might not even be able to get to the round bit until the end because, I don't know. But I'll go through it first, and then we'll break it down into chunks and go from there. All right. Be like the bird that, pausing in her flight, a while on boughs to slide, feels them give way beneath her, and sings and sings and sings, knowing she hath wings. All right, let's break it into chunks. So the first bit, how do I turn this up? There we go. So the first bit goes, be like the bird that. Okay, can you guys repeat after me for that? Be like the bird that. 1, 2, ready, go.
Be like the bird that.
Oh, nope. Okay, one more time. Be like the bird that. Okay, one more time. All right, 1, 2, ready, go.
Be like the bird that.
There we go. Perfect, perfect, perfect. All right, let's do the next bit. Next bit. Pausing in the flight. So we got a, what was that, a 6th jump? No, that's a 7th. All right, so next bit goes pausing in the flight. All right, you think you can do that? All right. We also have a rest there, so it goes pausing in her flight. Right. So, think you can do that, guys?
Yes.
All right. So remember the rest. Come in on beat 2. All right. 1, 2, 1, 2. Ready and. That's on me. I played the wrong note. That's my bad. Let's try one more time. All right. 1, 2, 1, 2. Ready and. There you go. That was really good, actually. Good job, guys. All right. Let's see if we can put those 2 chunks together. Do you remember the first line?
Kind of.
Okay. Let's see what we got. Let's try and go through the whole first line here. All right. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, and. There we go. Good job, guys. Do we need a refresher on the first measure, maybe?
It's just the words.
Maybe, yeah. Do you want me to go through the words real quick?
Yes.
Okay. So it goes, be like the bird that, pausing in her flight a while on boughs too slight, feels them give way beneath her, and sings and sings and sings, knowing she hath wings.
What in the Shakespeare?
It's actually by a guy named Victor Hugo.
Same thing.
No clue who that is, but compared to Shakespeare. Okay. So, can you repeat the first line for me? Just the words. The part we sang through and everything. Be like the bird that.
Be like the bird that.
Thank you. Pausing in her flight.
Pausing in her flight.
Okay. There we go. Let's try the first line again. Do you remember the notes and such? Okay. Let's try and go through the first line now. 1, 2, 1, 2, Ready, and.
Be like the bird that
There you go. My bad again on that. I'm not very good at piano. Anyway, good job. Let's move on. The next part goes as such. The flight a while. The flight a while. One was to slide. Let me try one more time.
You got 2 minutes left.
Oh, 2 minutes? Sorry, 2 minutes? Okay. Let's try and get through the second line then. The flight while one was to slide. So let's do the flight a while. Alright. One, it's actually a pickup. So come in. I'm going to give you 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. There we go. And then let's try and get the second part done. One balls to slide. Alright, this is also another pickup. So come in on, I'm going to give you 3 again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. There we go. Do you think we can do the second line now? Do you want to go over the words and the notes and such again? Okay. So, her flight a while on bows too slight. Go ahead. Say that first one.
Wait.
Sorry, I'm getting a little flustered, but okay, repeat after me. Her flight a while on bows too slight.
Her flight a while on bows too slight.
All right. Last thing. Let's try and sing this whole second line. 1, 2, 1, 2. Ready? Or 1, 2, 3. Good job, guys. You guys did great with this. Good job.